ate that wave. Shit, it broke my paddle holder. Alright, face is all wet. Got a little soaked there. Didn't think it was as bad, but I just ate that one last wave. But anyways, I'm going out for halibut today. I didn't bring my cooler. I've got a whole bunch of fish, so I'm not looking to keep anything. I'm gonna head straight out to the halibut area and start fishing. It's gonna take me a while to get there though. Probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I'll turn it back on when I get out there. I'm Brett, and this is Peeling Line. Alright, so there's a few boats out in the spot. It's okay, don't mind. Shouldn't, it's a pretty big spot, so we should all be able to fish it. I heard a gunshot go off earlier, so somebody caught something. Damn it! Alright, I've got one on. Just trying to get a snack. Shit, I think he came off. Oh no. He's on there. Color. I don't think it's a halibut. Oh yeah, it is. It's a little chicken. Or all right. He's probably about 15-20 pounds. I'm just gonna let him go. Hopefully you get a bigger one. All right, So he was a bit small. Hopefully it's, I just started out here. It's been only 15 minutes and I got that one. So hopefully I can get something a little hopefully I can get something a little bit bigger to take home. I was just trying to grab a snack and that one bit. The nice thing is when you got this swell like this, it does all the jigging for you. You just got to keep your drag loose so it doesn't tip over your kayak. Not sure this will come out, but you can see it hitting the bottom there. Not sure this will come out, but it's kind of what you want when you're going for halibut. Just pound the bottom. There we go. Lingcod. Looks like a female. Just gonna throw her back since she's a, look at that big belly. All right, we got something on here. Switched it up to the white 9-ounce flutter jig. Doesn't feel like it's fighting too hard. Maybe it's a skate. Apparently they don't fight much. Oh, it is a skate. Nice. Oh yeah. Ah. Shit. They got some gnarly teeth here. They've got like thorns all over their body. Look at that cool skate. Bit me and got my thumb. All right, dude, just chill out. We'll get you back. All right, the selfie wasn't very successful, but maybe this long stick will be. There we go. Just gonna put him back. Although I'd like to try one, but nice. Okay, I'm at the probably the last spot for the day. Got 90 minutes to fish here before the paddle back. Hoping for that halibut, the keeper halibut, but I'm not too disappointed. If I'd kept that halibut, I would have gone home and I wouldn't have a new species, so there is that. Sometimes you got to take what the ocean gives you. Got a fish on. Oh, what is this fish? I think this may be a yelloweye. Not sure. I'm taking a picture. And there we go. Got a fish. China rockfish. There we go. China rockfish. Oh, that guy's got bear trauma. All right, there's a fish. That's an even bigger yelloweye.